Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little different. It is a project share and stuff that I've been working on this Valentine season. Let's take a look at all the cuteness I created. Okay, let me move this stuff on the side. And this also will be a giveaway. You watch to see how to enter in the giveaway. But the first thing I want to share with you is this banner I created. I created a Valentine banner. Let me move this out the way. I had so much fun creating this. I like to call this Love is in the Air. What I use is the Scrapdiva Design Air Balloon die, which are the two at the very end. And I use the KsCraft Pocket Heart die. I will link both of those dies in the description below. And I will, for Scrapdiva, you do get a 10% discount. So go ahead and use that code. There's no extra cost to you, but it does support my channel and I really appreciate it. But yeah, I love how this banner came together. Oh, I love it. Love, love, love. And the air balloons are shakers. And I did two different style shakers. This is the full way the sequence goes through the whole thing. And then this one here, they're in the individual little slots. Alright, so since I have this one, let me show you this one first. Look at that. How pretty is that? So I did have a sentiment on there, which I also cut. The ruffle here is also a Scrapdiva design. The flower is from Temu, and I also did the rosette. And I love how this came out. And then the sentiment says, love will always win. Look at that. Love it. Love, love, love. And then this one here, I also created another ruffle. I put in some foam flowers. This heart right here is actually another cutting die. And it does come with a little sentiment on there. So I love how this one looks. Look at that. And the paper pad that I used was from Echo Park. I want to say My Valentine. If it's wrong, I will put the name of it in the video. And then here goes the third one. Look at that. Love, love, love. And this one, the sentiment says, you're my happy. I just love it. I love the dies. And then I also tied it up with some twine and some beads so that you could hang it up in your little crafty room. And yeah, I love how this came out. This came out beautiful. I love it. I love, love, love. Look at that. Love it. So that is one of the ones that I created. Let me move that to the side. Look at the other stuff. And then the next thing I created was the Sweet Treat pocket. I use the same heart pocket die that I used in the banner. And then this one I created pom-pom with tinsel garland. And then I added the eyelash and I also added the Chanel yarn. And look at that. I love how that came out. I also created a rosette. I put a foam sticker on it. And then I put heart trim. And I love how this came out. Love, love, love. So I also have that. And then this one is the cherry mini album. And I really, really love this die. This die is also from Scrapdiva. And you can see it huge. And look how pretty that is. And I did make this as a shaker. And then in here, I did create some pockets, so you have some tuck spots. And I put some journaling cards in there. And I also used some of the ephemera and the stickers from the kit. Added some more trim there. And then on this side, I did another pocket. Used 2 stickers that came with the kit. And then in a previous video, which I'll link below, I added the bookmark in there so that you could use it for your books or your journals. And I do love how this one came out. And then on this side, I added another pocket, and then I also added a doily plus some more journaling cards, or you could even use it to decorate. And then I added a little Cupid die cut there. And on this side, I cut some paper so you could do your journaling in there. So I also cut it in the colors of the album. So you got pink and mint. You could do all your little writing. And then I left this one empty so you could put a picture or whatever you would like back there. And then here, I added some more ephemera and some stickers. Another pocket with some more journaling cards. I didn't decorate the back so you could add either pictures or write stuff in there. And then on this side, I created a little notepad so you could do some journaling, some more journaling. I'm going to include a pen in there. I just didn't do it yet, but I'm going to add a pen in there. And the best part of this is you could take this off and add a new little notebook. And then I also added the trim on the side. I love how this came out. In the back, I left empty so you could put pictures or whatever you like. And then I added the pom-pom with the lip gloss on there. So yeah, I love how this turned out. So with that one, this one here is the same mini album, but I am gifting it to one of my crafty friends. And then with this package, I also created this bouquet of flowers. And I love how that came out. Look at that. Just love it. Love, love, love. And then I'm also gifting a little treat, a little sweet treat. And I also use a little heart pocket. And then they're also getting the mini album. So I created that for a crafty friend of mine, which I'm going to be sending out soon. But yeah, I love all of these. I love how all of these projects came out. I mean, they were amazing, and I love, love, love. So now that that is said, the best part is I am going to do a giveaway. All right, so I'm going to have 2 giveaway winners. And what the giveaway consists of, okay, the first giveaway will be for the mini album and sweet treat. Okay, so you'll get the mini album and the sweet treat. And then the second giveaway is the banner, and you'll also get a sweet treat also, which I already have ready. So the only thing you have to do to enter into the giveaway is to comment Valentine's in the bottom. Make sure you are a visible subscriber and leave the comment below and add Valentine on there. And I will be doing the giveaway winner next Sunday. So make sure you share the video to show, to have more people to participate, so they have the opportunity to win. And this is for US only because of the shipping costs. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe, comment Valentine, and also like the video. And on Sunday, I will be announcing the winner. I will put in the community tab when I'm about to announce the winner, so that you can go ahead and check it. You will have probably 3 days to claim it. If not, I'll redraw again. But this is for my appreciation for all of you who supported my channel, and I love you all. So don't forget to enter in the giveaway for a chance to win one of these creations. And I put a lot of love in it, and I really enjoyed making this. Let me know in the comments also if you'd like to see a tutorial on how I made this. I'll probably make it in a different theme since Valentine passed, but do leave me a comment so that I could create a tutorial for that. But yeah, you got till next Sunday to enter. Make sure you comment Valentine, subscribe, like the video, let your crafty friends know, and share the video so they can also participate. And I want to wish you all good luck. Make sure to subscribe, hit the notification so you know when I upload a new video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.